I saw buildings fall that should not have it all, and no trace of a plane in the Pentagon wall. Then in Iraq we began, and Afghanistan, trying to find the invisible man. Was he dead the whole time, or in Pakistan? Or is he home now with his nearest and dearest? Or am I just a conspiracy theorist? I watched the events in Benghazi unfold, and it wasn't too long before Gaddafi lay cold. Seems he'd amassed too much African gold, and was planning to slip from the oil dollar fold. And the West didn't want the new dinar unrolled. Doesn't hindsight show history the clearest? Or am I just a conspiracy theorist? If it flies like a bird, chances are it's a bird. If it's fishy, then to call it a fish ain't absurd. And if it smells just like shit, then it's likely a turd. Do you really need some expert to give you the word? 'Cause if it's got wings and sings and does birdie type things, trust your judgment and call it a bird. If you protest the copyright placed on your jeans, or you raise any doubts about GM soybeans, or you question the harmful effects of vaccines, they will call you the strangest, the queerest. And they'll brand you a conspiracy theorist. But if it flies like a bird, chances are it's a bird. And if it's fishy, then to call it a fish ain't absurd. And if it smells just like shit, guess what? It's a turd. Do you really need some expert to give you the word? 'Cause if it's got wings and sings and does birdie type things, trust your judgment, it's a bird.